Hi, in this video we're going to show you the new Magnify image feature of Microsoft Edge. So this just came out. So let's say you're on a website and it has some pictures on it and you want to view one of these pictures a little larger. Many times you could right click on one here, open image in new tab to see a bigger image, but it depends on how big the image is on the website. Sometimes it'll be bigger, sometimes it might just be the exact same size. So your results will vary depending on the site you're on. So now with this new feature in Edge, you could right click here and you can see you have a magnify image option, and this will open it up in a new window here. Then as you can see here, there's a zoom in option here. Then you could kind of drag with your mouse if you want to see what you're zooming in on, and then back out if you want. And then there's the reset if you don't want to actually have to zoom back out. Then you can see there's a tip here that says hover over an image and press Ctrl twice to blow it up. So let's try that with this one. Hover over, press Ctrl twice on the keyboard. So you can see it does the same thing. And then you have your same options here, just like so. So that'll definitely come in handy if you like to blow up some images that happen to be kind of small. So once again, right click, magnify image, and then that's all you got to do. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.